your name?
Jace.
How old are you, Jace?
4.
What's your favorite color?
Purple.
Purple?
I'm out of here.
Wait. Hi, what's your name?
Caden.
How old are you, Caden?
6.
You're 6. What's your favorite color?
Red.
Red? What about your favorite show?
What did it do to the upside down show?
Jace, what is your favorite show?
Upside down show.
You copy. What about your favorite movie?
SpongeBob SquarePants.
No, what is your favorite movie?
Buzz Lightyear.
Awesome. Favorite song? What's your favorite song?
Cat Daddy.
Can you sing a little bit of it for me? What is your favorite song, Jace? Caden said hers is Cat Daddy. What is your favorite song?
Mine is Police.
How's it go?
Bad boys, what's it gonna do? What's it gonna do when it comes for you?
Awesome. What about you, Alexis?